Hear the sound of the word of the Lord, and the sound of the King's footsteps coming. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling, for it's the sound of glory overflowing. It's the sound of prison doors opening. It's the sound of many hearts awaking. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling. Hear the sound of chains, many chains breaking. Hear the sound of the King's footsteps. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling, for it's the glory overflowing. Prison doors opening. Hear the sound of a great awakening. Hear the sound. Hear the sound of the King's footsteps coming. Hear the sound. Hear the sound of many bones rattling. Hear the sound of prison doors opening. Hear the word of the Lord. For the Lord God is in your midst. The Lord God is in your midst. And He seeks your awakening. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling. Hear the sound of glory coming. Hear the sound of many hearts awakening. For the Lord walks among you. He walks among you, and He seeks the hearts of the hungry. He seeks the hearts of the hungry, for it's only the hungry that He can work with. The hungry and faithful, He seeks your hearts. For the great awakening that is coming, the great awakening that is coming. Hear the sound of prison's doors opening. Hear the sound of many chains breaking. For the sound of glory is here. The sound of glory is here. And He seeks the hearts of the hungry to start a great awakening. Hear the sound of the whole world rattling.